Now let's just in fact get you more details of how heavily polluted the capital is. Remember that Delhi is now dealing with a public health emergency, and that is air pollution. The poison levels in the air are so high, it's like smoking a pack of cigarettes a day. And one of the biggest contributors to making our air so toxic is our city's love for diesel cars. Their fumes are deadly and killing us slowly.
85 lakh cars on Delhi's roads and 1400 cars added every day. Let's face it, Delhi loves its cars. Even though vehicular emissions is the biggest reason why Delhi is the most polluted city in the world, of them, these diesel cars are the worst killers. The tiny black particles they emit settle into our lungs and heart. A recent World Health Organization study says that breathing diesel fumes is the same as smoking tobacco and leads to respiratory diseases like lung cancer and heart attacks. But without this knowledge, Pramod Bindal, like lakhs of others in the city, chose to buy a diesel car. In his case, 4 diesel cars.
It is an economy of scale. The diesel is subsidized in India. And whereas the diesel cars give better economy.
And this is what he means. Figures show that subsidy on diesel has gone up from 1.5 rupees per litre in 2009-10 to 8.5 rupees in 2013-14. Recently, the government deregulated the price of diesel, shrinking the price differential with petrol. But the damage has already been done. Market data shows that the share of diesel cars has gone up from 4% in 2000 to 53% in 2012, and the sale of diesel cars is expected to double by 2020.
Reduction in pollution has happened in the late 90s because of these conversions and technological interventions, but most of the gains that we had in the last 5-10 years or so, they'll all vanish in the next 2-3 years.
So this is 279.
My God, it is 279. I am willing to make changes in my lifestyle. Why not? I am very keen on that, health-wise also.
According to a study by Center for Science and Environment, ironically, people riding public transport which runs on clean fuel are the most exposed to Delhi's toxic air. In other words, people who are a part of the solution for better air are the worst affected by dangerously high levels of air pollution on the roads of Delhi.
Because the pollution in Delhi is so much that the riding of the cars is very difficult for us. So, but we have to know and nothing else we can do.
With Manoj Thakur in New Delhi, Kinshu Dang for NDTV.